Hi. I know. It's been a while, but I'm coming back. And that's it. My name is Jessie. Jessie D. My real name is Jessica, but channel name Jessie D. Williams. And this video, I am going to show you how I go from this to a new color and hairstyle. So, see that? No. So, without further ado, here's the video. Okay, so I start separating my hair in 4 sections to make it easier. And then I use this protein filler color in the shade Warm Brown, since that is what I am turning my hair color to. I wanted it a lot darker of a color because this so-called blonde is not working for me. So I use this and I put it on all my quote-unquote blonde spots. And this is how it looks after I put it all on. And I wait for 10 minutes. And here I am using Vaseline. I'm only using it on my skin to protect my skin from the color. It's okay. And it will be easy cleanup too once you deposit all the color. And here's the star of the show, my new hair color. It is Brown Cinnamon from Dark and Lovely. Okay, y'all, so the last thing I filmed, I showed you the color that I was using. And I used Dark and Lovely fade resistant color in the shade 391 Brown Cinnamon. And really, I used 2.5. No, scratch that. I used 1.5 of this. So if you have shoulder length hair and your hair is thick like mine, then 2 boxes will do, because you're going to end up using a bottle and a half. And then you can save the 3rd box if you buy a 3rd box for something else. Here I use the Talia Wajid Stimulating Cleanser. It's like a pre-poo. Yeah, it's a pre-shampoo before you do your actual shampooing. And then I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrating and Repair Shampoo. I used both of these for my first wash. Then I used this for the second wash. Condition, I went straight to deep conditioning. So what I use for deep conditioning is the same thing, but this is the Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment, along with the deep treatment mask on my hair. Sat under the dryer for 15 minutes. Let my hair cool down from the dryer, and then I rinsed it out. I just rinsed it out. So let's see how it's looking. Oh, my hair is so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay. there you have it. My new hair color. Y'all, when I say I am obsessed with my new hair color, I am obsessed. Like, I love it so much. Thank y'all so much for watching. See you next time.